Hey guys, I made this video because I'm a Turo host and I rent my car out. It's a 2019 Kia Forte and I just wanted to show you how we take care of our cars. Well, really it's only the one car, but this is how we do it. I hire a team and they come in and they do a deep clean of my car. I want to make sure that you guys, whoever rents my car, has a great experience. And cleaning is a huge part of that. I don't want you to drive a car that looks used. This is a 2019 Kia Forte. We've had it in the family for 4 years, and we used it with our 2 kids, who are now 3 and 5. But before that, they were just one. I just had one kid, 1 year old. Now, the car has been through a lot since we had kids, but I have to say that we kept it pretty clean. But after we put it on Turo, we hired these guys to take a real good look at it and clean it really well. And I'm proud to say that, it looked brand new when I gave it to my first Turo guest. Now, I'm not saying I do this deep clean all the time because it's quite expensive. It depends on how the car is when it comes back to me. But I just want to show you that, I'm a Turo host and I take this business very seriously, and I want to make sure that, you get a great experience, and hopefully you'll give me that 5-star rating and I can continue to operate. So that's it, basically. I just wanted you to know that, not all Turo guests may take care of their cars the way I do. And if you're in the suburbs of Milton or the surrounding Halton region area, feel free to borrow my car off of Turo, please. Well, this is how it ended up looking after, and I was really, really proud of these guys who came with their mobile service and came right to my house and cleaned the car really, really well. Honestly, they were there from like almost 9 o'clock to like 1 o'clock. I was super impressed. Their business is called Detailing Lab. Check them out.